Hi, this is Kapil Gunjikar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. There is an update. Update is this that on Sunday, that is 18th April 2021, my younger brother was admitted. Yes, again COVID 19, and again the same problem. Like I have to run all around, right? I'm not saying I am the only person running around. Yes, my aunt's husband, my uncle, basically, he is also running right from day one when my father was admitted, that is 9th of April. 13th April, roundabout, please see the video, previous video, you'll come to know when my father was admitted, when my mother was admitted. This last Sunday, like on 18th of April morning, round about 10, 9:30, 10, my younger brother Puneet was admitted into third, like it's a third different hospital where he was admitted, yes, again for COVID, and he was critical when we admitted him. Right now, fingers crossed, Puneet is recovering. He is showing signs of a recovery fast, quick. Within 4 days, like if I count Sunday, it would be 5 days. So like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday, 22nd April. So within 5 days, he has recovered a lot. Has good signs. Expecting my father's discharge around about 25th or 26th of April. Around same time, I am also expecting my mother's discharge. I don't know. Both the expectations, as per the telephonic conversation with my parents, they said the doctors are saying they would be discharging them in next 2 or 3 days. So I expect them by 26th or 27th at home. I don't know. I actually don't know. Again, fingers crossed. I wish they could come back on 26. Puneet's discharge is still a matter of question because he was just admitted on Sunday. But even if he could come down properly, well recovered as soon as possible, or maybe around 26th or 27th April, that would be great. I would be the most happiest person. Another thing, guys, this is the reason why I'm not able to think on recording, editing, and putting some good contents. Like, this is not a bad content, this is also a good content. This shows that I have a continuity of putting a video on YouTube. This also shows that I am concerned about my immediate family members. Another point I wanted to make was I was getting sort of two or three jobs, and the requirement was I have to complete my RT-PCR. I have to inform them by Tuesday or Wednesday that am I ready to go for a job? I'm ready to take this job up. Whatever viewers, the subscribers, the viewers, whatever you want to think as a change of job or a new job, or I was unemployed and I'm taking up a job, whatever that is. But when there is a situation like this, when I am also running around for my father, for my younger brother, morning, like lunch and the dinner, tiffins. And the thing is, my brother's tiffin is prepared by my wife. Right now, she is behind camera. She is preparing the food for herself, myself, and my younger brother Puneet, according to his taste, according to his medical condition, whatever is suitable to his body. whatever is allowed for him. So accordingly, she prepares the food. Same is with my aunt, and her husband comes down, like he actually comes down to our house, or he just steps out of his apartment or building and comes at the corner of the street. We collect the tiffin, and then I first go to my father's hospital. At the reception, I tell them that Rajendra Kunjikar, room number so, bed number so. Can't give all the details. Sorry, guys. So I have to wait till WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp group, we are there, all 5 people. I tell them that I'm starting from home. When I reach the hospital, I tell them, I call him in Kannada, Appa. Appa reached hospital, kept the tiffin, and whenever he receives, he pings me back, okay, received. Then I leave and go and give and drop the tiffin to Puneet, my younger brother Puneet Gunjikar. He then pings me, okay, I received the tiffin. Whenever he receives the tiffin, he drops me the ping. And nowadays we want that, because the hospitals are stressing on mostly cloth bags, not the plastic bags, cloth bags. So due to shortage of cloth bags at my own place, what I'm trying to do is I take these bags. Morning there is one bag, evening there is another bag. I take these bags, I give it to them, and I ask that person, drop the tiffin or give the tiffin to the patient and get the bag returned to me. Give the bag returned to me. I'll take it right now. That's what we have been started from Wednesday, I suppose. Yeah, yesterday onwards, or maybe Tuesday onwards. And during all these times, I am not getting much time entire day even to think anything else but what tiffin to be prepared for my younger brother, relay that information to my wife, see if those things or raw materials are there. No, then make arrangement accordingly. See if medicines are required. My wife is a person with epilepsy. I am a person with epilepsy. And in spite of all these things, if someone is approaching you or someone is emailing or phone, like telephonic conversation or WhatsApp chat, or getting it through some platform, any platform for that matter, and giving you an opportunity, even if you have an old job or you don't have an old job, whatever is the situation, one would first think that I am there right now with my parents, mom, dad, even younger brother is here. So I can't leave my wife over here and ask her to please take care, as she has come from a different family. But her nature is not that cruel, so she will not say, but she would think in her own mind. वो खुद सोचेगी कि भाई तू खुद अपने भाई का, मम्मी का, डैडी का अगर ख्याल नहीं रख रहा है, और 4 पैसे कमाने के लिए या फिर 4 पैसे ज़्यादा कमाने के लिए, दूसरा जॉब पे जाने के लिए, अगर तुम हम सबको छोड़ के कहीं और दूसरे स्टेट में या फिर दूसरे देश में, दूसरे प्रदेश में, if you are changing the state or if you are changing the country just to earn $4 more or $4,000 more, whatever that is, the amount or the currency is not important. The important is the principle, the fundamental. It's not me alone. It is even my aunt who stays here, 2 to 3 lanes down the street, down the lanes, like vertical lanes. 1, 2, 3, or maybe maximum 4th. Her husband is also running. I can't take his name because I have not taken his permission. He is also actually running on the ground, and I am also running. And those who are not able to run but they are trying to help behind the cameras, those who are directly, indirectly helping, thank you to all. those who are praying for wellness and recovery, speedy recovery to all three family members. Thank you to all. Those who are trying to give me information, thanks to all of them. But one point remains, if you are insisting you should take decision, I would request, a humble request, if you could extend the deadline and wait till my at least brother and father come back home, get discharged and come back home. Let me see them physically, what their condition is, can they cope up their work at home, and then I'll surely give my decision that yes, I can join, I can relocate from one particular state, let's say, like say from Maharashtra to maybe Punjab or maybe Karnataka or maybe Tamil Nadu, whatever state in India they want me to relocate till their work gets completed. That's what they said. So whatever is this, whatever it might be, I would be ready. That's not a problem. Like, I've not done my RT-PCR just because of this. I have not gone because, see, I don't have any symptoms. Getting RT-PCR done, tested unnecessarily would be a load on those people also. So I don't want to make a load on the government machinery. If I am showing any kind of symptoms of COVID, like cough, headache, fever, coughing, or like any kind of, obviously I'm going to go and give a test of RT-PCR, if required, any and many more tests. But for that particular job, one of the jobs where they said RT-PCR should be negative and give us your decision by 2 or 3 days, I think that was Tuesday or Wednesday, about the deadline to at least tell them, inform them that yes, I am interested to work. I was not in a frame of mind, or I was not having enough, I won't say enough time, but even if I had the time, I couldn't give it a thought. मैं वो सोच ही नहीं पा रहा था. मेरे दिमाग में वो हाथ में टाइम है, लेकिन मैं उसके उस दिशा में, उस विषय में सोचने के लिए मेरे को फुर्सत, मतलब मैं यही नहीं कर पा रहा. मुझे मुंह में शब्द नहीं आ रहे. मैं खुद के फैमिली के साथ रह रहा हूँ इतने साल से, राइट फ्रॉम 1992. 1992 से मैं, माँ, पिताजी और भाई यहाँ पे इतने साल से रह रहे हैं. अचानक सिर्फ कुछ चंद ज़्यादा पैसों के लिए सबको बीच में छोड़ के जॉब के लिए जाना, ये मुझे पसंद नहीं, या फिर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो जो भी जॉब दे रहे हैं, अगर वो अपना डेडलाइन एक्सटेंड करते हैं, समझो 12 मई तक एक्सटेंड करते हैं, तो तब तक मैं भी जरा, हाँ बाबा, घर पे आके 4 दिन देख लूँ, माँ पिताजी तबीयत रिकवर हो रहे हैं, सब एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग नॉर्मल, करेक्ट है, दे आर एबल टू रिकवर, कोप अप. तो ऑब्वियसली फिर मैं मेरे बीवी को यहाँ पे पीछे छोड़ सकता हूँ, बोल सकता हूँ कि बाबा इनके पास अभी ध्यान दे, मुझे 4 पैसे कमाना है, तो ये जॉब छोड़ के दूसरे जॉब पे लग रहा हूँ, तो उनके हिसाब से मुझे उसे दूसरे देश या प्रदेश में जाना पड़ेगा. 6 महीने लग सकते हैं, साल लग सकते हैं, 2 साल लग सकते हैं, जो भी लग सकता है, मैं वहाँ पे रह लूँगा, मैं एडजस्ट कर लूँगा. दैट इज़ नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, वो दिक्कत नहीं है. लेकिन बीच में छोड़ के चले आना, ये प्रॉब्लम है. इसीलिए एक नम्र विनंती, ये मेरे को मराठी में याद आ रहा है, हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है गाइस. This is going to be a multilingual. This is a multilingual video. Hope you like it. If not, see my previous videos. Whichever video you like it, press the like button, subscribe button, and share this video to all your family members, to your employer, to your employee, as well as the HR people and the